Today, we're diving into the tech that basically taught machines how to dream. Generative Adversarial Networks. You probably know them as GANs. These are the incredible AI models that can whip up stunningly realistic images, music, you name it, all completely from scratch.
But that begs a pretty huge question, right? Can a computer actually be creative? I mean, we know they're amazing at crunching numbers and following logic, but can they truly invent something new, something original that's never existed before? Well, that's exactly what we're going to get into.
So to even start to answer that, we've got to look under the hood a little bit. Let's kick things off with the absolute basics. What in the world is a GAN, and what makes it so special? Okay, so here's the most important part. GANs don't just recognize stuff that's already out there. They generate completely new things that are just incredibly realistic. This whole idea, which popped up back in 2014 thanks to Ian Goodfellow and his team, has been an absolute game changer for AI creativity. And listen, this isn't just some theory stuck in a lab. GANs are already out in the real world creating some mind-blowing things. We're talking photorealistic art, totally original music, assets for video games. They can even generate synthetic anonymous data for really important fields like healthcare, which helps protect patient privacy while still pushing research forward. The list of applications is huge, and it's growing literally every single day. So how does it all work? Well, the secret isn't just a bunch of complicated code. It's this brilliant competitive relationship. The best way to get it is to imagine a high-stakes game between two people, a master art forger and a really, really sharp art critic.
That's right. A GAN isn't just one AI model working by itself. The secret sauce is that it's two. It's a dual network setup that pits these two AIs, our forger and our critic, against each other in a constant battle to outsmart one another.
So first up, let's talk about our forger. This is the creative one, the artist of the duo. Its one and only mission in life is to create fakes, let's say paintings, that are so good, so convincing that you just can't tell them apart from the real deal.
And who's standing in the forger's way? Our critic. Think of this AI as the expert detective. Its entire job is to look at every single piece of art and make the call. Is this a genuine masterpiece, or is it a really clever fake? That intense rivalry is the engine that makes the whole thing go. Okay, so now let's swap out those storybook names for their real technical titles. In the world of GANs, our forger is called the generator, and our critic is called the discriminator. So here's how it all breaks down. The generator, our forger, literally starts with nothing but random noise. Think of it like digital static. And its job is to try and shape that static into a realistic image. Its only goal is to trick the discriminator. Now the discriminator, our critic, gets shown a mix of real images from a dataset and the fakes from the generator. Its job is simple: get better and better at telling which is which. And every single time the discriminator spots a fake, both of them learn something. The generator learns what it did wrong, so it can make a better fake next time, and the discriminator learns how to be an even tougher critic.
And you've got to understand, this back and forth isn't just a one-time thing. It's a relentless, non-stop training duel. It's an adversarial process where each AI is constantly forcing the other one to get smarter. This competition, this is the core innovation here. The whole process just happens in this constant loop. Step 1, the generator makes a fake. Step 2, the discriminator judges it. Step 3, it yells real or fake. And then, based on that one call, both networks learn and tweak their own strategies. The generator gets better at faking it, the discriminator gets better at spotting the fakes. And the cycle just repeats thousands, sometimes millions of times, with both AIs just getting ridiculously good at their jobs. At its heart, it's basically a zero-sum game. The generator's mission is to make the chances of its fakes getting caught as low as possible. Meanwhile, the discriminator's mission is to make its ability to catch those fakes as high as possible. They're locked in this perfect competitive spiral, where one getting better automatically forces the other one to improve. So, after all that, what happens when this duel hits its peak? I mean, what's the actual result of this endless competition? Well, the duel pretty much ends when the generator gets so unbelievably good at its job that the discriminator just can't tell the difference anymore. Its guesses are no better than a 50-50 coin flip. And at that point, you know the forger has become a master. What we're left with is a generator that can create absolutely stunning, totally new content all by itself. And you know, that takes us right back to where we started. When an AI can learn the very essence of what makes something look real, and then use that knowledge to create its own original versions, what does that do to our whole definition of creativity?
It's a massive question and one we're probably going to be grappling with for a long time. Thanks so much for tuning in.